Hey guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, my name is Dana, and today I am going to be doing some sinking funds, moving some money around, and my taxes. So if you follow this budget with me, you will see that I did get one of my taxes in for the state of Rhode Island. I got the ones from 2019. So last year's taxes I finally got. I got a total of $214, and I am actually going to be taking the money out of my binder. Sorry, I don't know why I'm talking like that. I'm going to be taking the money. Oh, sorry guys. Let's see if I can fix this. Alright, there we go. I'm going to be taking the money out of my moving binder, or some of it, because I am going to be using most of the money for my kids' like summer clothes that we're going to be doing today, but also because I'm going to be starting this new binder. So I showed it to you in another video, but this binder right here is basically this is basically going to be my moving binder, what I'm going to be taking with me on my journey across the country and back. Okay, so my road trip, moving binder, etc. Okay, so I do have this. Let me stick this in here. So I'm going to start. Oh, my finger's coming off. There we go. So I'm going to start filling that up using this, and I also have some of that money from my taxes. So now $14 of it, so it should have been it should have been $417, but it's not actually going to be that. It's just going to be $403 because this jet is already in the bank, and I put that toward my credit card annual fee. That was $29, so I used that one right there. Okay guys, so I have this money, and I am removing most of this. So I still have $4,000 in my bank account. Okay, I have not touched this money. This money is in there. It is not coming out until I pay for my hotel and for like the trailer, the car, or truck rental, I should say. So that is going to stay in there. There will always be $4,000 in there. Okay. This right here is the rest. Oh my goodness. So I saved 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10. Really? That's my kid. 100, 1, 2, and 3. So $203. So I got that on top of my income taxes, which is 2, 4, 6, 8, 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 200. Okay. So this is what I'm going to put in there today. So let's go ahead and get some of this out here. So I have hundreds, fives. I'm gonna trigger some people. Alright guys, so I got my money in order. Okay, there's some ones. I know you can't really see it. I'm gonna try and get something to hold on to these things soon. But here is my binder. I'm gonna go ahead and put this one in there with the 4,000. Oh, this thing does not want to stay in there. I have to get another one soon. Alright, I'm just going to stick it right here. So this 4,000 is what I have in the bank right now. This is for like the car, the tolls. No, I'm sorry, not all the tolls, but some of the tolls, the car, the trailer, the hotels. So, and then this is all the other things that I have to do. All right, so the first thing though that I am going to be pulling out is going to be in my sinking funds. I want to see that they are in here. So I will be stuffing from this, or in this envelope, but only because I am stuffing for my kids' clothes. So, kids' clothes and my clothes. So, my son, Aiden, right now, he is going to be getting $45. So, let's see. 1, 2. So, he is getting $45. Go ahead and stick this right in here. Alright, so he has a total of, look at this, I never filled it out. 25. Okay, so he has a total of $20, $40, $50, $60, and $70. So that is for Aiden's clothes. My daughter, Avery, her clothes, she is getting actually a little bit more. She is getting a total of $50 only because she needs more stuff. My son doesn't really need anything, but my daughter is growing like crazy. Alright, so I have a total of, I have 20, 40, 50, oops, hold on, 60, 65, 70, and 75. So she only has $5 more, but 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, and 75 is for hers. I'm just going to go ahead and write that right on her card. Alright, guys. Alright, and my clothes, I am getting the most because I'm selfish. No, it's because I actually need more stuff than they do. I tried to price out everything that I needed and I was like, okay. So I have 2, 4, 6, 8. So I am getting a total of $86. $86. So 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 86. Let's take this down. 86, 87, 88, 89, and 90. So I have a total of $90, guys. And that will be spent soon. Alright, so I am not stuffing anything else in these binders. I am going straight into this one, my moving binder. Alright, so for my, I should have put this in order, which of course I did not. So moving supplies is not getting anything. Safety is not, oh, actually safety is getting $12. So 10, 11, and 12. $12 in safety. Alright, extra is not getting anything. Phone is not getting anything. The dump is not getting anything. Laundry is not getting anything. Entertainment is going to be getting $20. Let's see. Oh, just getting a full 20. Okay, car needs is going to be getting $80. Alright guys, so I have 2, 4, 6, 8. $80 is going into my car needs. My house supplies that I'm going to be needing for this trip. And again, this one right here is just basically like things that you would need when you're going on a trip. So this is like paper plates. I wrote down a list of what I actually need. But it's like I need gloves, I need cleaning products, I need storage containers, toilet paper, hand sanitizer, just simple things like that. And this one is going to be getting a total of, it's going to be getting $30. So 20 and a 10. $30. And now because I have to buy a lot of this stuff before I even go, you will see that the amounts change. So this one's gonna say 30, and then next week it could be $4 or stuff like that. So for health needs, which is basically like travel supplies, so toothbrush, toothpaste, sunscreen, things like that. This one right here is going to be getting $50. So on 4/22, we are gonna put $50 in this. And the funny thing is that I budgeted $50. So 5 or 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50. Sorry, sometimes I have to count things twice. But again, so this is going to be for chapstick, deodorant, body wipes, things like that that you would need for a trip. And then my tools is going to be getting $30. So I have 10, 20, 25, and 30. This is on 4/22. Alright, so, and my goal in this one right here is going to be $600. If you've seen my budget with me, you'd see this. I just separated it into 2 different categories. So this is something that I will need cash for. Because tolls, you need to pay for them. I think they're more money if you like run through them and then they figure out who you are and all that stuff. So these other things are not getting stuff. This one right here, I only need like a memory card and so and a flash drive. So this one is not even gonna stay in here. That's why it's like, it looks like this. This was my first attempt at a clear envelope and I did it in a rush and there was cat fur in it and all that good stuff. But I do really like this though. I love space, so. Alright guys, well I hope that you are having a good day. This is a really quick video just about me basically starting this move. I'm very excited about it. It's vacation, it's move, it's a road trip, it's all 3 rolled into one and it's gonna cost a lot. So I hope that you guys have a really good day. Alright, go ahead and comment down below what you think that you would definitely need for a road trip, because I got a lot of lists. If you haven't seen my other video, I'll go ahead and link it up above. But go ahead and take care of yourself, and I hope that you have a really good day. Bye.